Hello, good morning. Let me show you how to use this photo manager. This is the photo manager, and usually your folders all will be here, and please choose folder drop down menu, and then here there will be your photos. Like I didn't create any folders yet, so I only have default folder. If I choose the default folder, I have like four photos here, like here 1 and 2, 3. This one I uploaded, for example, and this one. Let me show you how to use this photo. In the property section, you see this information about this photo, like its URL and where is it located, like, and then this is the width and the height, 500 and 282 pixels, and then this lock is like it maintains the proportion, like ratio of the image when you're resizing it. This is the zoom. Like if your photo is like this one is too big to fit here, you can choose the zoom, like 50% or 25%. And then you can see the whole thing. This is the resize, and this is the delete. Let me show you how to delete a photo. For example, if I wanted to delete this photo, I just choose this photo and I click delete, and okay, and it's done, it's gone. And then here's one big photo. This is 10U, right? So its width is 1000 pixels, and this is the very big for a web page. So if I wanted to like resize it to for a web page, probably 300 pixels width, and then it will be right here. There is a zoom here, 100%. It'll be this big, and then if I satisfied with this size, I just click on resize, and it's done. It's resized, and now this is the real size of the photo. Okay, this is how you manage your photos. And then there is an upload, and if I wanted to upload some new photos, I just first let me show you how to create a folder. For example, here I can create different folders, like image folders, like artists or exhibitions, this and that. So I can be, my photos can be more organized. So I create a folder called artists. Okay, I type the name artists and create. Done. It's now I have a artists folder, right? So artists folder is selected here, and then I upload some photos, like let me choose image of images. Where can I find some photos? Oh yeah, I have some on the desktop. Here, for example, if I wanted to upload this this flower fairy, I just and then I just choose that, and it's uploaded here, right? And then it will be in the artists folder. Okay, so default folder I don't have it, but artists folder I just uploaded this flower pair, and then in property I can see that it's a 1000 pixel width, but it's too big for a web page, so I can just resize it to 300 or 200 or whatever I like, and then just click on resize, and it's resized. So here you can upload and prepare your photos for your web page, and then you can go to a page manager and then insert these uploaded and prepared like resized photos on the pages, insert them in the pages. You don't have to resize them all in here. You can actually resize and prepare photo and locally and then upload them here too. That's another option, but if you forgot, you can do that and here too. So this is how you use the photo manager.